So, for the sake of my sanity, I'm going to place this just about like the way it would sit over there. Ouch. Got the other side down. There, okay. You can see my door, my piece of tin will go on here, like right here. That'll be straightways. Then I'll cut the tops and the bottoms off. Let me go get some gloves and I'll go get a piece of tin and we'll talk about that some more. I think I might get my grinder and grind off these little nubby bits on the corners there. I'll just hang on, I'll be right back. So I'm going to grind a little bit right here off, a little piece of a corner there. Oh joy. Y'all see what I'm doing? Is that better? I'll put my glasses on so I can see what y'all are doing. I have to keep an eye on y'all all the time. Just to watch y'all like a hawk. I never know what kind of mischief you're liable to cause. If I let you, just never know. Y'all put your safety glasses on over there now. Don't get those sparks in your eyeballs. That ain't good for you.